Today is November 11th, 2017, and we already made plans to go to Volendam and to Utrecht today. Okay, I made plans. Unfortunately, we've just found out that today is also St. Martin's Dag and the beginning of Carnival.
So everybody that we're passing here is all dressed up in all sorts of really funny and humorous and highly coloured clothes. So it's really quite interesting. Looks like a lot of fun. Pity we won't be here for it.
I didn't know. It's hard to know when you just move to a country. You don't know their holidays. It would have been nice to be here for it. Hopefully we'll catch it next year in February. Carnival is a preparation for Easter, and that begins in February. It's supposed to mark the beginning of Lent, but this in November is the beginning of the preparation. So it's like
the preparation for the preparation before the event.
I love the Dutch.
Dat is nice. Ja, lovely. Dankjewel.
Nee, dat is voor de panen.
Oh, interessant.
Een tapenade van Italiaanse tapenade.
Oké, dank je.
Smakelijk eten.
Dankjewel.
I have here gerookte paling, which is smoked eel. Apparently it comes with bread and like these tapenades from Italy. That's really good. I like it better than the herring.
Okay.
So we just had lunch, I suppose. Was that lunch?
Yeah.
We just had lunch at the Van der Hogen Hotel.
Van den Hogen.
Oh, is it Van den Hogen? And it was €38.20 for the whole meal, and we had gotten gerookte paling, which I really like. That's smoked eel. Rob had spare ribs.
Yep.
What did you
Excellent. Think? Absolutely excellent.
Really?
Yeah,
Okay.
Very
Better
tasty.
than Tony Roma's?
No, not better than Tony Roma's.
Yeah, I didn't think so. And then we also had some frietjes to share. And water, because you have to pay for water here. And your cappuccino. $38.20 was not bad. Maybe a little bit more expensive.
It's a tourist haven.
Yeah, it's a tourist
Mecca.
spot, and it's like right by the water. Like you could look at the water while you were eating, so it was a pretty good spot.
Yep.
Yeah, I wish I could get an answer, 'cause I don't know.
A few minutes ago it was raining, but now it's bright, it's sunny, and okay, it's still cold, but it is beautiful here in Volendam. Really happy we came here.
The sooner that I get to find out, the better I can get by.
This is how mooi, yeah?
Yeah, with the pigeons flying overhead.
Feel about it, how to feel about it. No, I don't even know how to feel about it. Feel about it, how to feel about it.
It's a pirate ship!
How to feel about it anymore.
We willen ook naar Auschwitz gaan in Polen.
Ja.
Het moet heel verdrietig zijn, maar ik vind dat het heel belangrijk is om dat te herinneren.
Ik vind het verdrietig dat de jonge generatie heeft geen idee.
Ja, super.
It's een groente.
Ja, dat is een groente.
Ja.
It's with
Feinkel.
Feinkel.
Dag, pleasure to meet you.
Goed om jullie te ontmoeten. We just met the nicest couple
From Belgium.
From Belgium.
Look, it was wonderful. Really was. They were watching Nikki flying the drone. I went over and said, well, would you like to have a look at the video? So then from that we just started talking, and next thing we were all speaking in Dutch.
So
Well,
awesome.
oh, some Dutch.
We
But,
exchanged
it was good.
email addresses, and yeah, it's awesome. And this is what I love about traveling, like randomly meeting people who may not speak your language, and you still find things to talk about anyway. Wow, this is gorgeous, Rob.
Back to the days that we shared. Remember how we felt. And your touch was like there was nobody there. Like you loved nobody else. Yeah, I wish I could turn the time back. I miss it more than anything right now.
You told me you knew everything.
No.
I stole their
It's really
wallets.
good.
I mean, how good is that?
That's so good.